Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting a strong theme and gathering 15 to 30 target words that fit it. Once chosen, decide the puzzle type, crossword, word search, or scramble, because that drives layout rules and difficulty. Make a quick grid size decision now and set constraints like age range or time limit. This prevents backtracking later. You'll also pick a tone, educational versus playful, which shapes clue style. Start placing your most important words first. They anchor the whole design. You now focus on layout and clue writing. Place the longest, high-value words first so they anchor intersections. Once done, fill around them with medium-length entries to maximize overlap. Make clues varied, simple definitions, hint-based nudges, or playful misdirection depending on difficulty. Also, ensure grid symmetry and manage white space so letters remain readable. Too dense feels crowded. Test alternate placements quickly, then refine clues to avoid ambiguity. You finish by thoroughly proofreading every entry and checking each crossing to eliminate orphan letters. Once that's done, playtest with 2 or 3 users. Time them and watch where they hesitate so you can spot unclear clues. Make targeted edits, simplify a clue, swap a word, or tweak grid spacing. Then generate a clean answer key and printable layout. If testers report many stuck moments, revisit clue specificity. One key troubleshooting tip is to simplify the most missed clue rather than overhaul the whole puzzle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.